respected Chief Guest and the Law Minister of Government of India, and Shri Handu, Senior Advocate and Chairman of Asochem National Council, very respected Justice Mukul Mudgal, Shri Rana Kapoor, President Asochem, Shri Balaji, Mr. Rawat, good morning to all of you. Friends, we should be very happy today because Asochem has been working for a long time to create a legal-friendly atmosphere for the business people, for the benefit of the local business community as well as the international business community. Asochem took the first step in trying to bring out a bill in establishing commercial courts, which is also under consideration by the government, and the Law Ministry also has given a report. And first of all, we must thank our Chief Guest for taking a step forward in accepting the Law Commission's proposal with regard to the Arbitration and Conciliation Act amendments. I think that will create a big boost and a kickstarter to the international arbitration and the domestic arbitration in India. We have such a very active, dynamic minister with us. So our long dream of having a very business-friendly and also a people-friendly judicial delivery system. Friends, all of us know very well that 3 crore cases are pending all over India, and judges, very competent judges, but working day and night also are not able to really complete the work within the time. So pendency is going up to the time of 25 years. Oldest court in Delhi, I came to know, is about 23 years old now. My father's pension case still pending in Supreme Court. My father passed away 16 years back. There are appointment of arbitration cases pending in Madras High Court for 4 years. So these are all bad news. But we have a minister who will definitely take us forward, take this country also forward. We have taken some efforts in making some suggestions which are required in short term, which are required in long term to help the judicial delivery system of India. In our opinion, legal reforms is a very big topic. If we touch as a whole immediately, that will delay the whole process. The first thing what we require is to improve the judicial delivery system. If we rate that as a service of a government, that has to be increased in a big way, which is really lagging. Friends, the connectivity between the pendency and the economic development is very close. You might have known that we are rated as something like 140th country from the down with regard to the contract implementation and the business-friendly litigation system. This is a report created or developed by United Nations and circulated to all over the world. So how even our own people will like to put a risk and develop a business? Our Prime Minister wants this country to really take lead, not to manage. In judicial system, we have managed it for a very long time. It is time that a lead should be taken to really expand everything. And some of the programs or some of the suggestions what we have given may look little bit dramatic or a dream, but this government, so strong minister we have, all these dreams of Indians can come true. A day should come when the 3 crore people who are locked in the corridors of the court should be released, at least within 1 or 2 years. And about 47 litigations. Imagine the money, what is locked. So we have to unleash all these things. When these things happen, definitely Indian economy will look up. People from outside will come inside India and invest more. Our own young people will not bother about the risk and go ahead and put in all their money and energy to develop the business. So, Minister Sir, our only request is a day should come when India is seen in the first 10 countries which has a business-friendly delivery system. During the last NDA government, a wonderful scheme of fast-track courts were introduced. but the priority was given only for criminal cases. We request that the priority should be given to commercial litigation. That is a very important bread and butter of this country that will change the lives of crores of people. Thank you so much.